What's going on, everybody? Welcome to 80% Nutrition. Today I'm going to do a quick product review of Magic Spoon cereal. Now I don't have a comparable, which would be in this case Froot Loops, because I just didn't want to buy it. But to go over the differences, this is basically a high protein, lower carb version of that. And the taste is phenomenal. I would say it's just as good as eating regular Kellogg's Froot Loops. So as far as the macros go, I'm going to break it down into a 2-cup serving size. On the box, a typical serving size for cereal would be 3/4 to 1 cup, but nobody really eats that. That's such a tiny amount. So for 2 cups of Magic Spoon, you're looking at 290 calories approximately. If you're doing 2 cups of Froot Loops, 220. So the Froot Loops are actually less calories, but it's going to be a lot higher in carbs and a lot higher in sugar. The Magic Spoon carb is only 16 grams when the Froot Loop is 52 grams, so more than double the carbs. And also the protein content is much higher. With the Magic Spoon, we're looking at 32 grams of protein per 2 cups. Froot Loops, Kellogg's Froot Loops, or other similar brands, about 2 grams, so hardly any protein at all. So this is a big benefit for me because sometimes you're just craving that sugary cereal, and this meets that cravings demand. And I don't know about you, but growing up, you kind of grew up eating the sugary cereal. It's kind of part of your childhood. It's kind of part of your, just like a comfort food. I mean, I'd come home from work or school and just eat a big thing of cereal, but that's not the best for you, especially before bed at night, which is a typical habit people get into. So this could be a very healthy alternative. The big downside is it costs about 2.5 times that per ounce of cereal, so it's more expensive. This costs about $10, and you're going to get a big box for $10, like a family size, for about the same on Amazon. So it is more expensive, but if you want to meet that craving without sacrificing your diet, this is something I'd recommend. Thanks for watching.